This airplane landing goes wrong, and this airplane got dramatic engine failure, and this airplane hit a wind shear. This Pilatus PC-12 collides with tourists. The Singapore Airlines Airbus A350 requires a full power to recover from a wind shear on final. The C-17 Globemaster dropped the wing during a strong crosswind landing. This Boeing 737 struggles to get airborne before the end of the runway. This LATAM Boeing 777 rejects takeoff after nose gear already becoming airborne. Watch this smooth landing of this first Lufthansa Airbus A380 carrying the anniversary livery.